Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to find hidden chats on Viber. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to find the hidden chats on your Viber, first open the Viber app on your Android device. And after opening your Viber app to access your hidden Viber chats on your phone, you can see the search bar on the top right corner of your screen on Viber. Tap over there, and on the search bar, where while you are going to search or where you are going to search, you'll be required to enter the passcode which you have used to hide the Viber chats. For me, this is my uh, code which I had registered on Fiverr for hiding my chats. And you can see there is my friend, and beside her profile picture there is the eye with the cross sign, which means that this is a hidden chat on Viber. And there guys, this is how you access or find your hidden chats on Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.